O, maliwanag na yung phone mo.
Madumi ba kanina?
Ikaw ko sa'yo, tatanggalin ko lang.
Kaya nga, hindi, mamaya na pag papalitan naman ito, bibili ng bata. Sabi ko, dito, sa class pa.
Ang dami nga daw toilet dito, sabi. Ayan o, yung pa sa una kanina. Oh, ang gaganda pa ng toilet, oh.
Oo, maganda toilet.
Sabi niya, papasok pala tayo dyan.
Okay, so guys, everyone now, later after you go through this bridge, okay, just meet up, okay, the other end of the bridge, okay? Don't go by yourselves because later is still a long way to go.
Oh, okay.
Meet up,
The other end, okay? The other end of the bridge.
Okay. See you.
See you there.
Para mas maganda.
Okay, so for two, okay, 20 liters.